Hello friends, my name is Ajay Kaur. Today video topic is Java array list. Java array list classes use a dynamic array of the storing the element. It is like in array but there is the no size of limit. We can add or remove the element anytime, so it is the much more than flexible than the traditional array. It is the found of the Java until package. It is the like of the vector in C++. The array list in Java can have a duplicate element also. It is implements the list interface, so we can use of the all methods of the list interface where the array list the inheritance order of the internally, and array list is the part of the collection is framework and is present in the Java until package. It is provided as the with the dynamic array in Java. Through it the may be slower than the standard array, but it can be helpful in the program where lots of the in the array is the needed. This classes is found in the Java until package. And since the array list is the dynamic array and we do not have to the specific, the size will be carrying the size of the array automatically increase when the dynamically and the remove the terms. Through it the actually library implementation may be more complex. The following is the every basis idea. Explain the working of the array when the array becomes full and the try to end in term. Characters of the bigger sized memory on help memory, for example memory of the double size. Copied the current memory element is the new memory and new terms of the added how now has the there is the bigger memory available now. Delete of the old memory. Important features of array list. Array list is the inheritance abstract list classes and the implement the list interfaces. The array list is the utilized by the size. However, the size is increased the automatically if the collection grow with the shrinkage if the object in removed from the collection. Java array list is the along as to the randomly access the list. Array list is cannot be used for the primitive type like int, characteristic, etc. We need to the wrapper classes for such classes. Array list in the Java can be seen a vector C in C++. Array list is the not synchronized in equivalent serialized classes Java in a vector. A separate functionality of the implement of in each of the mentioned classes there are. First one is the abstract list. The classes is the used to implement in the list for which one need of the only extend. This is the abstract list classes and implement only the get and the size methods. Second point is the copy on write array list. This class is implement the list interface in it is the variation of the array list in which all the modification, addition, set, remove, etc. where are implement in the making a copy of the list. Third one is the subtract sequence list. The classes is implement with the connection of interface and the subtract collection classes. The classes is used to implement and the list for which one need of the only extend. This is the subtract list classes and implement only the get and the size of method. Constructors in the array list. In order to carry the array list, we need to carry in object the array list classes. The array list classes consist of the variation construction which is the possible of the array list. The following the constructor available in the classes. First one is the array list. The constructor is used to the build and the array list even which of the carried in the array list with the name of the array then the can be carried as. Example array list array is equal to new array list. Second point is the array list bracket collection C bracket complete. This constructor is used to the build in the array list utilized with the element from the collection C. Suppose we wish the carried in the array list which continues the element present in the collection C. then it can be carried as array list array is equal to new array list collection array list int capacity. This constructor is used to the array list which is internal capacity beginning specified. The suppose we wish the create the array list then the initial size of beginning n, then it can be carried as array list array is equal to new array list n. And second point is the important point about the Java array list in classes. Java array list classes can continuous duplicate element. Second point is the Java array list classes is the inheritance order. Java array list classes is non-synchronized. Java array list is along the random axis because the array work at the index basis. And last point is the in array list is the little bit of the slower than the linked list in Java because of the lot shifting needed of the across if the element is the removed form of the array list. Thank you.